Hi everyone, welcome to Padala channel. From today we are going to start a new playlist called Education Playlist, which will be a weekly for now. And in this education playlist we are going to upload many videos that are related for competitive exams, etc. And you can gain knowledge from this. And the first outcomes, why we, since there are many competitors in the education field, why do you need to come here and listen to our topics? It's simple. We will be uploading the videos regularly. That is, on every Saturday we will be uploading a educational video, and if time permits we will be doing it more frequently. And here you'll be having a discussion forum, something like that, in the comment section, such that it clarifies the doubts. And giving the topic while giving the content in the topic, we will be rich at examples. We will be giving many examples here, and there will be no nonsense like things. We will be straight to the point. And if for a single topic you will be completing the concept, the concept, it will be completed in minutes. So these are the things I want to conclude for why we, and what are the topics we are going to cover. uh, Not from so to other things, it is like we are covering from A to Z, like which are useful for competitive exams, mainly the geography, history, polity, current affairs, economics, and even aptitude, reasoning, general awareness, which includes many facts and everything, whatnot. Many which are related for the exam point of view and gaining the knowledge point of view. And what it covers, it covers a vast syllabus which is required for your exams. And again I'm saying that the content will be crystal clear in explanation. We go is with the topics such that you can learn the topic, and you can't forget it anymore. That is called learn and never forget method. This is all for this week. We'll be uploading new videos on every Saturday on the educational playlist. Stay tuned. Thank you.